Okay, so on our little adventure with moving the memorial, I had some more problems with my little outboard here, and it's a Yamaha 2.5. It's a good outboard, but it took a swim a while back, and we got that all straightened out, and I had to do some work on the carb. And this time, even though it ran great, when it was stopped, it would just leak one drop of fuel into the ocean. And then a few seconds later, another one. And it's like, oh, man. Anyways, I brought it back, pulled the carb out, and took it apart. And there's the float, and filled the carb up with fuel, and I could tell it was just slightly leaking from the place where the float bowl, seals to the rest of the carburetor. And so there is a little gasket that goes around that, and here it is. And I think it's in pretty bad shape. It's compressed, and I tried cleaning it up and cleaning the surfaces in here and cleaning this surface here. I put it all back together and it's still leaked. So I've ordered a new one of these doohickeys, and I'm waiting for it to come in, and once it's in, I'll put it all back together and give it a little test, and hopefully that'll take care of our little fuel leak problem. I've had it up to here with fuel issues. I had an issue with the fuel filler hoses on the boat, and the nightmare that caused, and just this little leak here has been really annoying. I'm just done with smelling gasoline on my boat or anywhere on the boat. So hopefully this takes care of this issue. Okay, it's Saturday morning, and we are going to go diving. This is the second attempt to find this memorial. I'm pretty sure we're going to find it today. It's going to be nice and clear. And we're just doing a search, and as soon as we find it, we're going to put GPS coordinates on it and come back later, maybe in a week or a couple of weeks, and move it to its final location. We have a bunch of equipment on the boat. I got John's stuff right here, and we got some tanks, some other gear. And we're going to put some more tanks right there, and we have some tanks stacked up down there for our second dive if we do it. So we're going to have a total of 5 folks on the boat today, including myself, and so looking forward to it. The swell is going to be 2 feet, no wind or light wind, and it should be a really awesome day. Alright, let's do this. I should do this as a diver. Boom. This means surface, so we're going to do that. If anything, we want to do this, which is, descend. Alright, enough of that. So here's our crew today. We've got John, Jay, Demra, and we are heading out under the PCH Bridge, Huntington Harbor. We just got up, John and I got up, we found the memorial, and we have put a marker buoy on it and taken GPS coordinates, and Demra and Jay have gone down to retrieve the signal marker buoy, so, awesome. So very happy about that. We're waiting for them to come up, and we'll get them back on board. So yeah, very successful. Pretty happy with that, right, John?
Yeah. Yep.
Yep, awesome stuff. So, as soon as they come back up, we're gonna go pick them up, and the second phase of our move will be complete. Oh, yay. So after a successful mission, we are gonna do a fun dive here. And so we're changing tanks right now.
Trying to lose
There's Demra, there's Jay. These are the warriors that made it happen today, so very awesome. And we're pretty happy about that. The only thing we are a little worried about, or I'm a little worried about, is having the boat end up over there. That would be bad. But it's not moving. I got my anchor guard on. Of course, I won't be on the boat to hear it beep when it moves. But hey, you only live once, so things for sale anyway. So
There's insurance,
it's insured for $80,000. So hey, I might be a net win. Who knows? Okay, we're leaving Laguna. All had a little snack. We're gonna head back. Right, Demra? Yep. Oh yeah. No, don't do that. Okay.
I don't know.
That's where top secret numbers John's flashing there.